How to parse C++ source in Python? We want to parse our huge C++ source tree to gain enough info to feed to another tool to make diagrams of class and object relations, discern the overall organization of things, etc. My best try so far is a Python script that scans all CPP and H files, runs regex searches to try to detect class declarations, methods, etc. We don't need a full-blown analyzer to capture every detail, or some heavy UML diagram generator. There's a lot of detail we'd like to ignore, and we're inventing new types of diagrams. The script sorta works, but by gosh, it's true, C++ is hard to parse. So I wonder what tools exist for extracting the info we want from our sources? I'm not a language expert, and don't want something with a steep learning curve. Something we lowbrow blue-collar programmer grunts can use. Python is preferred as one of the standard languages here, but it's not essential.
I'll simply recommend Clang. It's a C++ library-based compiler designed with ease of reuse in mind. It notably means that you can use it solely for parsing and generating an abstract syntax tree. It takes care of all the tedious operator overloading resolution, template instantiation, and so on. Clang exports a C-based interface, which is extended with Python bindings. The interface is normally quite rich, but I haven't used it. Anyway, contributions are welcome if you wish to help extending it.
You could check out GCC XML and Open++, as well as Doxygen.
Can you run a pre-processing step? Doxygen parses most C++ syntax and creates XML with all the relationships. Compilers also create debug databases, typically dwarf format from GCC and CodeView format from MSC.
You asked for tools that can extract information from C++. Our DM's software re-engineering toolkit is configurable compiler technology for building custom analyzers. It has a full C++ front end with a preprocessor, full C++ parsing with ASD construction, including capture of comments, and full symbol table. These could be used to extract such structural information, and export it to whatever you want to process it. Edit. One of the comments is that there are only 3 full C++ parsers in the world. I suspect more, surely IBM has one that works. DM's C++ front-end has been used in anger on large applications in both MS Visual Studio, and on GNU C++ source codes, so it might reasonably qualify to smile.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.